Hi, my name is Talia Stone. I'm from Melbourne and I'm a second year Bachelor of Communication in Advertising student at RMIT, and I'm crazy passionate about all things creative and all things advertising. A unique crazy fact about me, other than my squashed thumbs, is that I am a grade A risk taker who is not afraid of failure. And a more recent example of this is that about 2 months ago, I landed in Rome with a backpack bigger than myself and one night's accommodation booked. And from there, I had the opportunity to utilize my risk taking skills and meet new people and learn a bit about the world, which I'm excited to bring back home with me. So I'm now currently on my semester abroad at Westminster University in London, where I'm taking marketing subjects because I really just love to learn. And while I really enjoy the creativity and the creativity that advertising provides, I'm really enjoying learning the insight and knowledge that marketing utilizes to aid the advertising industry. So I'm really excited to bring that knowledge home and hopefully put it into practice. Publicis Media really motivates and excites me specifically because of its incomparable focus on the client. Even from a quick Google search, it's really easy to note that Publicis Media has a unique modern approach that transforms businesses in a way that places value on the client and provides the creativity, strategy, and data that I'm really curious and intrigued by and excited to learn more about. Through my skills and experience in oral and written communication gained from working as the marketing coordinator of an accounting firm in Elsternwick this past year, part-time with university, I'm really excited by the opportunity to learn the inner workings of Publicis and engage with some skilled individuals and just learn a bit more about consumer insight, brand knowledge, and creative ideas. So I really hope you consider me for the role. Thanks a lot.